little artist. I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Among Us characters. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start on the left side of the paper on the top and we're gonna do the mini first. So for that I'm doing a circle, and on the top of the circle we're gonna do the head. So we're gonna go with a curved line that goes to the right, and now we're gonna do that curved line down. Okay, so we're gonna do a straight line that goes down and we stop right here. Now let's go to the other side, pretend this line goes in behind the visor, and we are gonna do another straight line that goes down. It's a little shorter than the other line. Now here I'm gonna do a C shape right here, leaving a space in the middle, and do another one just like this. Okay, now I'm gonna join this here, and this second C shape I wanna join it with the line on the right, and on the corner is a little curvy. Okay, now let's do the backpack. So for the backpack, I'm gonna go kind of like halfway here, and I'm gonna do a curved line on the top, a line straight down, and another curved line. Now to make the big guy, we're gonna measure this mini twice, 1 and 2, and that's gonna be how high this gonna be, the length of the big one. Okay, so I'm gonna place my finger here, and let's start doing the top of the head first. I'm gonna do on the left side a curved line that goes just down here. And now I'm going to do the same one in the other side. I'm going to do the curved line, but this one I'm going to continue going down, 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 really slow. And then now remember it's 1 and 2. So let's put my finger here, and now I'm going to extend the line. Okay. Now let's do the visor of the big one, and we're going to do more like an oval shape. And see how at the left side I'm going to end a little bit pointy. Okay. Now, let's pretend this line continue in behind the visor, and we're gonna go down, and we're gonna stop at the same level, okay? Now, for this leg, I wanna curve and then go up and stop right there. Let's do a horizontal line, and then at the end of the horizontal line, I'm gonna do the other leg, curving and joining with the last line we did, okay? Now, the last step is gonna be the backpack. So for that, I'm going to start about this point, and I'm going to do a curve that goes down, and then I'm going to continue going down and curving right here to close. And then that's it. This one was super easy. And now just wait until the end just so you can see how I'm colored and how I'm putting the shades. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you're enjoying drawing Among Us with me, and if you did, please give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.